Alright, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Here's my planner. It does look different from the last time you saw it because I have this classic deluxe cover. I got this from my big ideas. I got it from off of the website because I went into Joann's, I went into Hobby Lobby, and I also went into Michael's, and I could not find it for the classic size, but they had plenty in the mini size. And I wanted this yellow one, preferably I wanted the yellow one. So this one was on sale for $10, so I got this for $9.99, which is a pretty good deal. $10 wasn't bad, and I still had money left over from the previous month that I could use, so I used it. Disregard my nails. I bite my nails, so I don't have any. That is a bad habit that I have, and I've been having it for my whole life. So this is what the inside of my planner looks like. Over here I just keep my pens. Well, actually they're marker pens, and the ones that I use are Paper Mate Flare in the medium point. I was looking for the fine point, but I could not find the fine point, so I got them in medium point. And I got these from Target. And over here in this pocket I just keep my budget edition stickers. I also got this when I bought the deluxe cover, and this was, the value pack was $19.99. so I also know that you can get this from the craft store as well, but these were also sold out, and I work a lot, so I can never, you know, get there whenever they do have them in stock. So I did have to pay full price for this, unfortunately, but this was $19.99, and I can do a little flip through real quick if you have not seen this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So you'll see how I use these, and I just keep this over here in this little side pocket. So this is the front of my planner. On the front it does say Destiny's Budget Planner, and right here is my savings goals, which y'all saw in the last one. So I believe in that last video January said that I saved $937, I think I want to say. That's how much it was. But as you can see, the number is different now. It is $1237, and that is because I end up receiving my tax refund before the end of January. I just use it as another like payday, and so I put some of it into my savings as well, so that made my January savings go up. And then here, last time I did put my savings goals for each month, it was going to be $500, but I decided to cover that up with this Totally Worth It sticker because I don't want to feel bad, or I don't want to feel obligated to put $500 in if there is one of these months on here that I cannot. Every other month has one of these little stickers on it, and that's because I didn't have enough of these, and I really wanted to use them. So I just decided to put every other one, and then I'll find something else to go in between, like a different sticker later on. This is the tab for February. It says stop wishing and start doing. Love that. This is the bill pay checklist. I'm not going to fill this out on camera. And then this is the expense tracker, and I have like 3 sheets of those. And then this right here is my budget review, and then my month at a glance, and then here is the February that actually came with this calendar. With this planner. So this is what it looks like for right now. I already put in the stickers that I kind of wanted to use. I tried to color coordinate, but as you can see, there is some pink in there. some green. But I think it's cute. So I do have a little cheat sheet over here so that I can know what bills are due on what days. I'm not gonna fill in this starter funds because February does not start until Thursday, and I'm still not sure how much I'm gonna have left over because I still have 2 more bills that need to be taken out of my last check. So I'm still waiting on that. And I am not gonna fill out, so I get paid every 2 weeks, but I'm not gonna fill out how much I get paid, but I am gonna fill out how much my bills are, because I just don't want to put too much information about my finances out there. So on the 1st is Netflix, I believe. Yeah, so on the 1st is gonna be Netflix, which is $11.90. So this bill is $11.90, and then I'll just put Netflix. Now guys, I do not have the best handwriting. I was not blessed with good handwriting, but I do what I can. Over here, my credit card bill is due, and I believe my credit card is $172. I used my credit card for Christmas gifts and stuff, so this is my last payment for my Christmas gifts. I don't really use my credit card. I just have it just to have it. I don't really use it. So this is my last payment from paying off Christmas gifts that I bought in November and in December for my family. Here on the 7th, this is my cell phone. My cell phone is going to be $102. Here on the 8th is my Apple Music. So Apple Music is $10.61. Here on the 12th, okay, so this is what I was talking about with the car ones. So on the 12th, my Hulu is due. So right here on this pay bill sticker, I'm just gonna write in Hulu, and Hulu is $12.73. And then also my car note is due. Well, my car note is due on Thursday the 8th, but the money is not going to be taken out of my account until the 12th on Monday. So I just always put that as due on Monday. And that one is $159.14. And then on the 13th, I pay an extra $1 a month for Apple storage. So I'm just going to put that right there. And I probably should have just taken these out of here so that I can write. Better. So let's just take those out. So here is Apple storage for $1. And then I have, the 14th is Valentine's Day. I do have a birthday here on the 11th, so I might have to budget for that if I buy anything. I'm still not sure yet. If I buy anything for that person, I have to budget for that. Here's Valentine's Day. I don't have to worry about that. 15th, and then the 16th again, I have a payday. I'm not going to put that right there because I don't even know how much my paycheck is going to be. Here on the 18th is my student loan, and that is $83.78. And then I have another car note due on the 26th, which is the same price, $159.14. And then on the 28th is my car insurance, which is $167.67. Yeah, $167.67. I was gonna write something in here on this little calculator, but I just decided not to. I really hope that you guys can see this, but for right now, this is what my January budget is going to look like. So I do know how much my check is for the second, which I'm not going to share, but I will share how much I'm going to move into my savings for this check, and it's going to be $373 from that check into my savings. So this $373 here is going to go into my apartment fund, and then $100 of that is going to go into my Coachella fund. So I'm just using another account that I have to budget for Coachella so that I won't overspend, and so that I won't take unnecessary money out there that I don't need. Yeah, I'm going to be using this weekly calendar. I'm not sure if I'm going to do like weekly check-ins. I think I'm probably just going to do monthly check-ins. But let me know if you're interested in seeing weekly check-ins, because I definitely do it. So I really did try to color coordinate with this. So here is the 29th and the 30th is still from January. So right here, I just put no spend because I didn't spend any money, any excess money on this day. I did pay a bill on Monday, and then on Tuesday, I did get gas. I had to get my car worked on, and that was expensive. And I just put this little sticker in the middle because I thought it was cute and it matched. And then I did spend my portion of my January allowance on at Hobby Lobby. That was basically $40. I got my eyebrows done for $16, and then I went and ate seafood with a friend, and that was $10. Wednesday, which is today, nothing's happening. And then on the 1st of February is when Netflix is going to come out for $11.90. So I wrote that in there. And since I don't get paid until Friday, I wrote this bill in there because it's still a part of my last January check. So I just went ahead and just wrote that in there. And then right here, I'm going to use this basically as like a starter fund. So my starter funds for my checking account for February, and then my starter funds for my savings account for February. And then at the end of the month, I'm going to fill out another one, basically seeing, you know, how much I saved for my checkies and how much I saved for how much I put into my savings account. I'm going to use retirement, and I'm not going to use emergency fund because right now my emergency fund and my Coachella fund are combined. So until after Coachella is when I'll have a definite amount on how much I have in my emergency fund. So I'm not going to fill that out either. So I'll just be paying attention to the checking and the savings, which I'll probably won't show on camera either. Just so I can keep those numbers to myself.